Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Are you part of our channel? If not, click the subscribe button to become part of our channel and see fun videos posted daily. We have some fun new robots in disguise. Of course, Transformers. These are the smaller robots we're going to play with and take a look at Decepticon Groundbuster. He's actually a construction vehicle. He turns into a track excavator. He converts through a 5-step process from robot mode to excavator mode. And of course, you can use him to unlock a free game online. He looks like a fun robot. He's a Decepticon, of course. We're also going to take a look at Bisk. His disguise is a race car. He's a Decepticon as well. And he converts through a 6-step process from robot-like mode to race car. He kind of looks like a bug, some sort of an insect. He's got those 2 antennas. We'll take a look at him. And we have a good guy as well. It's Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. He's a mini version. This time he's fully blue, more than any other color. He also converts through a 5-step process from race car to robot mode. And just like the other robots, you can unlock a free game with this one as well. It's time to have some fun. Here's Groundbuster, and just like his name implies, he definitely can bust some ground. He turns into a construction vehicle. Here's Groundbuster into his excavator mode. He's a track excavator. He has actual wheels at the bottom. He's really not hard to convert. He's got a working scoop. Let me show you how to convert him back into robot mode. And then back into excavator mode. He's back into his robot mode. And now let's go ahead and convert it into excavator mode. Tuck in his feet. Here's his excavator mode, his track excavator mode. He has a working scoop, and somehow I have his scoop upside down. And that's because it came apart, and when I put it back, I actually fixed it wrong. There we go. He's ready to go after the Autobots. Will he succeed in taking them down? Let's retrace our steps and turn him into robot mode. And here he is. He's so small, he's actually pocket-sized. Here's Bisk. Bisk usually fights for the highest score, or he doesn't fight out of boredom. Everything's a quest for him. He fights like he's in a game. He definitely looks like an insect to me. Now let's go ahead and convert him from robot to vehicle form. This is his race car disguise. Pretty slick, I love the colors. Today he's teaming up with Groundbuster. Let's convert him back into robot mode. That's simple.
Where's the other player? I'm ready for a fight. Come on, bring it on. Hold your horses. We'll get our chance. When?
Here's Autobot Drift. He's one of the mini robots as well. Check him out in robot form. He's Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. He's definitely much taller than the other Decepticons. Now let's go ahead and convert him into vehicle mode. Without even checking instructions, he looks like he's converting the same way that Bisk is converting. Yep, pretty much it. Not a hard process. He converts in a similar fashion to Bisk. In fact, I'll show you that. Front hood goes up. You put his feet together, you snap him into place, and then you push up. And you tuck in the middle here. Make sure everything still stayed snapped into place here. Bring it all together now. And twist the wheels forward. In car form, Bisk is actually longer. Here's how you convert Autobot Drift into robot mode. Thanks for watching! Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already, and also click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video.